Hello guys, I'm gonna play with my dog a little bit and then I have to go somewhere very special, so I'm gonna take you with me, okay? But before that, I'm gonna show you my dog. Live in the mountain, live in the countryside, okay? Live in the countryside. This is how we live.
Vậy em có kia, có tớ mà.
Come on, Blake! Come on! Come on! Blake, come on! My dog are well trained. This dog has been trained by police. Somebody can't mess with them. Okay. Come on, Blake. Hey. So I made any size there. These are German Shepherds. They're very healthy, they're very vicious. They can bite people. If you don't call me, you come here, you're gonna get bitten by this dog. What in the lock here? Alright, I'm gonna go to a deer farm. I'll take you over there and follow me. We'll go see some deer, okay? There might be about 40 deer at the farm. My friend raised them. I might do the same thing one day too, so I'll see you there. This moment, we're heading to the deer farm, okay? We're gonna go see the deer farm, and it's owned by a friend of mine. ต่อเอื้อเนี่ยสีเด้อหมู่ใช้รู้ว่าว่าเราอยู่มันรู้เป็นยอมมินนิโซตาที่แคลิฟอร์เนียต่อเขาเจอที่ชิมาชิมัวจิตปล่อยรู้ว่ามันรู้นะรู้ว่าเราอยู่มันรู้บ้านเนี่ยถ้าเธอโจกหมู่นะเป็นหมู่ปล่อยนี่เธอข้าว Okay, we're just arrived at the deer farm right here. ตัวจอนแต่ว่ารู้ร้านรู้ถ้าเต้อยู่มารู้เลยจอเกียร์เลยกาเกียร์เลยนอนแต่กูตัวผู้หญิงรู้ถ้าเจอนะโอเคหมอรู้เลยเดียเลยจะเต้นสักอย่าง The first time ever I went to a deer, I'm going to a deer farm. Most of you don't never seen it before, but this is your chance, okay? ถ้าเราเนี่ยจะต้องไปรู้deer farm นะเราจะรู้ farm เฮ้ยแล้วว่าอยู่มันรู้นะอย่ารู้เรานะจอเกียร์เด้อตัวน้อยตัว owner เด้อ this is the owner.
How you doing? How are you? Good.
Thank
I
you.
came out barefoot.
You doing good?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing good.
Did y'all have trouble finding us?
No, it's easy.
But we went out one morning and he was dead.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
We don't know what happened or anything.
What is his name?
Chester.
Jester?
Chester.
Chester is a 2-year-old and it's 16 point. I counted.
This was
And
this was Kalijah.
Kalijah?
Yes, and
And how many point is he?
I don't really know.
Kalijah. Okay, to know who Kalijah. Let me count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
anything
12,
an inch long is
13,
point.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. He's about 20 points.
Yeah.
That's a lot of points.
It is. That's amazing.
And this one back here,
Uh-huh.
we don't have the deer
Ooh.
because his face was so distorted. But he was 2-year-old.
He's a 2-year-old?
Yeah.
Only?
The mass. On
My
the-
goodness.
And some of these are
Yes.
our bloodline. Some of those.
Bloodline? Oh, you have to have a bloodline too in order to get all that points?
No, well, it just helps because I mean we've got most of our bloodline is in Pennsylvania and Ohio.
Oh my goodness.
That's where our
So you have the
bloodline
genetics
started.
and then
Yeah.
it's almost like cloning.
Look at that one right up there.
Oh my goodness. Look at that one.
That's in our bloodline.
Macho? Is that his name? Oh,
Wow, that's
how old
crazy.
is that one?
He was about 4 or 5.
4 or 5 years old?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
And you raise them, right? This one.
We didn't raise him. We didn't raise him.
But somebody.
But he's in our bloodline.
Okay,
And
bloodline.
we raised some of these.
Yes.
This one down to bottom,
Yeah?
that was our first. We named him Rudy. That was our
Really?
first.
Rudy?
deer. Uh-huh.
Rudy Giuliani. Just kidding.
In fact,
A lot of trouble.
can you see this picture right over?
Huh?
Let me show you this. This was Rudy when he was a baby,
Oh.
and we had a black lab,
Mhm.
and she's letting him nurse.
Oh.
Now he's not getting milk.
So Rudy was a small one.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah.
That's Rudy right here?
That's Rudy when he was a baby.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Rudy. And now,
And then this is Rudy.
huh?
This is Rudy, and
That's Rudy right here.
yeah, that no.
Oh,
This
wait,
is
wait.
Rudy.
Oh,
down
okay,
here.
Rudy.
Yeah.
Oh, Rudy become beautiful. Rudy is so beautiful.
Well, he would
Wow.
thank you. He would thank you for that because
See, not very many. I think we had like 45, 46 deer.
Not many? That's a lot.
No, well, we
used
used
to have
to
over
keep a
100.
lot. Yeah.
You used to have over 100 deer?
we used to.
And then you sell it to...
We
We sell
said
to-
we need to cut down on our deer. We've got
Yeah.
too many.
You're right.
So we were praying about it, and almost immediately they got a respiratory disease, and 27 or 29 died. God answered our prayer.
It wasn't.
Wow.
It wasn't.
just
it
be
wasn't
careful how
bad
you
diseases
You're right.
you get. It was because it was getting hot one day and cold one
Oh,
day.
yes.
hot one
It's
day,
volatile
cold one
weather.
Right.
And
then
they
hot.
just and the vet came out. Our vet that he's dealt with deer all of his life, and he said, Larry, there's nothing we can give them. We can't give them anything. They could
Wow.
be dead tomorrow. They could be dead next week.
Okay, so now you have 45? About?
About 40,
Something like
44,
that.
I think.
The most points, how many?
We don't have any big points. I'll
Okay.
show them to you. You're
Okay.
going to go see
You're
them,
going to
aren't
go
you?
see him, but
Yeah,
we have
okay.
some.
Yeah.
We'll go see him.
Uh,
I'm
I can't
excited.
remember. He's probably 20 to 25 right now.
Maybe. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you ready?
I never seen a deer farm ever in my life. So,
Well, you can't say that tomorrow.
yes. Record breaking right now.
Let's go.
Thank you. You going with us too, or? Thế một sai đó, là sai đó, cho mà lưu you nói cho luôn nó nữa, cho cái tim mong nữa, là you cho luôn nó nữa. Thế cho nó lấy muối, tụi nó ya cầu tập phát đô la đó.
Well, go ahead.
Ta sẽ là người mua ta là cái cho mình nhuận đâu. Thế một sai nè. Okay.
But
For those of you who don't understand this, these are. Can you tell them what these are? Can you stand here and tell me what?
the
Antler?
antlers, the deer shed the antlers, so they're
Yes.
called antler sheds.
Yeah.
So yeah, and they came off the deer that we own,
Yes.
and we still have the deer.
And every year they shed some more, and they
I
grow
have-
again.
And they grow again. I have 2 that have already shed this year, and it's
Right now.
kind of early.
It's
But
only
they
what? Right
shed,
now it's February what? 2nd?
February 1st.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that's-
a little early. But
So when
start
they
growing them
when
like
they their antlers fall off, you bring it down here and you do decoration.
that. Right.
Yeah, go take with this on. Okay, I'm gonna be on the other side.
Yeah, he did.
And I'll explain what's going on here because a lot of my people don't know what this is. Đó cú mà lư này cú mà lư thì tiền á, chỉ cú mà lư đàn á. Đó là mà cú thì chỉ bao đi nè, cú tôi cho nó mà kia cú nó cũng mà cởi gì. Ý xong mà cho cú mà lư nó bông ý rồi mà tôi cho chia nè. Chỉ có dù mà lư đi nó chỉ cho xong chỉ cho cú mà lư nó chụp bông đi, nó nè. Chỉ cho nó chỉ thổi bông chỉ ngưỡng ngang cho là cho nó. Đó là mà lư mà trong đi nè, bông ta đi nó là lư xong nè. Lư đã cắt tua chỉ chính đuôi chỉ tôi cho đâu rồi nè. Tiếp tục cũng cho đâu luôn này chỉ còn nó là this antler it's real, and I'm learning so much about deer because every year they have to fall off and grow again. When they grow again, they got more points.
More points.
Usually more points.
Yes, and bigger.
Right.
And
You want me to take
prettier.
that skeleton
Oh,
off?
no, it's okay.
No, don't worry
Leave
about
it
it.
there, Margaret. Yeah.
So when they grow again, they grow bigger and prettier.
They're usually bigger. each year.
Each year. Okay. All right. We're gonna go see the deer farm, right?
Well, you'll see, right.
Okay.
Start bottle feeding them. That
Oh,
way.
so
Yeah, that way.
the
they're
babies you have to
gentle.
bottle feeding first,
We don't have to, but we do. When we let them have
just to
their
make
mother
sure they
for
have
3
adequate.
days.
Make sure they have adequate food.
Well,
right?
yeah, that too, but to keep them gentle, where we
I
can
see.
work with them, and they'll, like, don't let me forget. I'll get some bread for you to hand
See?
to the deer,
Sure. That'd be so
and
exciting.
you can, yeah. Now it hasn't been that long since we fed them, but they'll still come up,
Okay.
and if they don't, we'll go to them.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Well,
yeah,
I
let's
raised
get
hog too. You know, remember
Oh,
I
did-
told you about that? We
Yes.
caught some wild hogs, and I
Yes.
raised them.
Mhm.
And it's been demanding all over the country. Everybody wants a hog, especially my people. They're just going crazy about it.
Because they're wild,
Yeah, and they
and they have those big.
you're right, and plus they're organic. That's
They would be.
that's that's what they love the most.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
So-
pretty neat.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Okay,
Let me
we're
get you
heading
some
out.
bread so we can.
How far is that
maybe
from
we
you?
can- I have 8 pens, so one you can see.
Oh,
it
okay.
over
So
by
you have
those
8
trees.
pens?
Different pens.
Okay, eight pens.
I
Okay.
think it's 8.
Sure.
There's 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, ta tao tôi kiếm về đây cho
And how high
đi.
is that?
Qua
8-foot fences?
bỏ lươn á.
However, they could.
Rồi là mua này gì luôn nhá của nó nè.
Seriously?
One year we had a wild deer
Uh-huh.
jumped into
Oh my
the
gosh.
pen. We didn't have. I don't think we had any deer in there yet.
Are you gonna get some bread in there?
We like to have never gotten him out.
Oh,
Let me see if I have enough bread. Here,
Oh, yeah.
just grab that,
This
honey.
one that you got from the California?
I knew you'd be coming. Yeah.
These are the ones that you got
From
from
the Dallas.
Yeah, we got from the same place.
Wow.
That's how we.
Oh,
That's
no.
how we met you
Le
guys.
poum and bread there, le poum you put what else do you feed them? Bread, alfalfa,
This
Yeah.
right here. Yeah, alfalfa
alfalfa.
and
Yeah. What is in here?
grain.
Grains.
Okay, like corn,
Grains.
It's a mixture
mixture of everything.
just for. See, look down here.
Yeah.
There's corn in it.
Oh,
Here, I'll put some in a bucket. Let
Okay.
you see it
sure.
because we'll be putting some in a bucket.
What
Oh,
was that?
anyway.
ก็จบดีจังเลยอ่ะรุ่นน้อยอย่ารู้เองรุ่นน้อยนะรุ่นน้อยนะรุ่นน้อยอย่ารู้เลยเจ้าจ๋าว่าเขามาลื้อนะเหนียวป๊อกคือเหนียวช่วยอย่าสุดท้ายแล้วมันรอดอย่างนั้นนะ a mixture of everything. Watch this.
Okay, let me turn this up.
How often do you feed the deer, Margaret?
What?
How often do you feed them?
Once a day.
Once a day?
Once a day?
Every morning.
Every morning.
And how much? Do you know how much each, or it depends on the size of the
It
deer?
depends on how many's in there, and this is probably for the 5 that's in.
Oh, so number 6
in pen 6.
means 6 deer in there.
Those deer are our oldest deer.
Oh, orders? Okay. Shut up. Turn on.
Okay, now I'm going to show you.
Whoa! Wow!
See?
See that? Okay.
Let me push it in.
Okay.
Larry can push it in. I have to kick it in.
Wow!
But that's
Good
now-
strong lady.
Look at all the mixture. Everything. Corn. Some processing.
It's Larry has
Pellets?
told them. Yeah, there's
Some
all kinds of
pellets and
things.
grains.
I really don't know.
and...
Larry told them what all we want, and then they.
What do you get all
Ôi,
this?
cho vitamin cho mọi lươn nó đó.
Where do you get all these from?
Livestock Nutrition Center mixes it up for
Okay.
us.
Okay.
In
You buy it from the
Stickler.
store. Stickler? Okay.
We buy 3
Tons,
tons.
3 tons. That's being 6,000 pounds.
How long does it last?
4 to 5 weeks.
4 to 5 weeks.
Wow.
Wow.
This thing holds 6,000 pounds. About 6,000 pounds equals
We
to
all-
about
yeah,
3,000 kilos of food.
6,000 pounds.
Yeah,
Go
3,000
ahead and
kilos.
put this in here. No, just take that with us, and
Okay.
y'all can hopefully.
We're gonna go feed the deer, okay? With bread and see how.
That's what these buckets are in here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so these fence are 8 foot.
8-foot fence.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, now you don't see any deer here, do you?
No,
No,
we don't-
only one over
Look under
there.
that tree.
Oh, wow.
Where are they?
Look over here by the fence.
They're all under the trees.
Under the shade?
Yeah.
5 in here.
Okay, how do we make them come out? Feed them?
Well, we have to go out this way.
Okay.
Going in.
Oh, I was going to go look at the big one right there.
Okay. They won't attack us. I want to know as many details as I can.
But
Learn about deer.
how many what?
I want to learn more about deer.
Oh, okay.
รู้ราคาที่เนาะก็ใช้กันได้ก็ใช้ได้ก็ได้พอใช้ได้โอเครู้ราคาที่รู้โลด
We'll close this when we come back.
Yeah. 8 foot fence.
Okay.
Wow, not that.
See, they're really wild, aren't they?
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Look, come here. Come
Wow.
on. Tiếp vào nó. Thay của tôi phải thay của. Ông không có sắp thay tiếp vào nó.
Come down here.
Come here.
Where'd you got it?
He's got it.
Oh wow.
He's got one.
Hi.
Wow.
Come on, eat it. Come on. No,
And how old are these?
Hey,
These will be a year old in, let's see, they're,
come in.
are these already a year old?
Wow.
These are,
Okay, come here.
these are either,
Come here. Come
no,
on.
I guess they're just 6 months old.
6 months.
Come on.
Not those two large ones.
Oh.
Nó nữa.
I three
Mà lưu nó nữa. Tôi bỏ mà lưu nó chỉ nó nhân tên này. Thôi rồi đó. This is the first time ever I've been to a deer farm. I never knew that the deer farm exists in the
Yeah.
world.
Well, I'm not sure they know exactly what you're saying, but
Yeah. I say it in Hmong language. I'm a
that's okay.
quadruple language.
They need to learn.
I speak 4 languages.
Oh my goodness,
But
I do
just
good.
shelter language, you know.
I do good to speak one language. I don't do
Enough to get
A little
by.
bit Thai, a
Just
little
to
bit
get
Lao, a
food.
little bit Hmong, and a lot of English. Well, a lot of Hmong too, you know. So,
Oh my goodness.
no,
Do you also,
là thấy gì mà,
do
là
you
thấy gì
speak
vậy
4 languages?
No.
là thấy gì các bạn kia. Okay, come on.
Here, we'll go inside.
Let's go inside here, honey. So. Cho nó chậm một lư nữa. Là mua gì lú
Gì luôn va mà lư.
nó vào một lư là.
Cú chơi cú ya tiền, cú chim mu California chơi cú you nó nhau mà thế đó.
Yeah, you live at Prado, you say?
Yeah,
But you're from California?
yeah,
What part of California?
Northern California.
Farm nè.
Now, because the deer is here, you don't have to use a lawnmower to mow all the grass at all.
You know
You
what
eat it.
he does?
Oh, he does?
When it gets too tall, he
Oh,
does.
right.
Oh wow. Chị lú từ thiên đi ở chậm một lư nè.
Okay,
But, no, you don't have to if you have enough deer on you.
I see, I
But
see.
yeah, he did mow this.
So you have about 40 now?
I think about 45, 46.
And they breed themselves.
we,
You breed them. What if a deer, like a wild deer, jumping in there and want to stick around with them? What happens?
well, we had one do that. See where
Yeah.
that fish is?
Yeah.
We I guess he tried for a long time to get out because it was early in the morning when we
Yes.
started to feed. It took us a long time to get him out.
Wow.
You get some guinea fowls
We
too?
didn't keep him. What?
Yeah, guinea fowls too?
Yes, we do. I
So-
started to ask if you knew if you had any guineas or chickens.
Wow.
My guineas.
Is it legal to have a wild deer to jump in there and kind of mingle with that? Not legal.
Not legal.
You have to raise them
You'd lose your farm if you did that.
if you do that. How would they know?
Well, I don't suppose they'd know. Well, you know what? They probably would. Because they do come out and check your deer every year.
Oh, is that right?
The
The
guy
state?
The guy from the state that comes out and checks ours, he knows us and he knows we're honest. You know? So he doesn't even do it.
Ôi dữ.
Unless he just wants to see.
Nó y lú vạ. Chị nói y lú thế cho nó cho lo rồi cho nó cho ê. Tốt cú nè. Yêu, cho nên cái cả tàu thế ơi. Chị nè. Ooh, look at them flying. Đi xe tới đây bỏ đó chị. Anh em món nữa là sẽ sinh cơ điều.
Don't confuse. Wow. Oh my goodness. Up close. Can you feed them on the hand?
generalist, but yeah, I think they would. I don't know because I never try to feed them. But you can try.
Yeah.
The thing of it is, it's because it hadn't been that long since we fed them this morning that they're not hungry.
Yeah, they probably still full for this morning.
Just kind of watch the buck because
Yeah.
It's not,
They're tough.
really.
White tail. Everybody wants it. Cho nên cho một lư từ đó nó nhát nó sang nó
Có từ đó là giờ cú đó nè.
từ đó white
Từ đó là. Ôi cho nó sinh thế giờ. How old is this one, Margaret?
He is, I think he's 2.
So we
2.
raised him from baby,
All of these.
so he's very tame. Stop fucking my little.
He's tame, but he's a little bit afraid of it.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Just make sure he doesn't hurt you.
Yeah.
Larry has been gored twice.
Really? Oh, okay. Đi cái lớn nhất là cái sông như thế này.
I don't know. I guess they were still in.
They like me already. I'm very gentle with them.
Then how many
Nice
point
car.
is that buck?
See his tags in the right ear?
Uh-huh.
The others are in the left.
Wow.
And it doesn't look like that one's lost her. No, it's back there, I guess. Can't tell. How did y'all find out? Oh, we saw y'all, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you were talking to Larry for a long time
Uh-huh.
while I was talking
Yeah.
to the guy. Yeah, I'd forgotten about that.
Have you ever slaughtered this to eat?
Oh, Larry would just die
Oh,
if he even
because it's his
thought I
pet.
wanted to kill him.
I see.
Oh, yeah.
Thanh đồng mặt Ở này thì nó nói yêu cho mà lư nó mà nè thì nếu yêu cho nên lúc đó chỉ chỉ nói thế này này để cho yêu mua thế này and you sell it to like private landowners.
We sell, I guess, all of our deer, really, pretty much, to this guy that has, I think he's got like 4,000 acres.
Acres.
And he does have hunting. But
Okay.
you know what? They're gentle here.
Mhm.
Once you let them out in the big place like that,
Yes, they'll be wild.
As
Yeah.
wild as they can be.
They
Yeah.
can just run around and never seen again.
Well, actually, I hate to say this, but he does have hunts once a year. Which is, Larry
It's in
won't
the
even
blood,
think
you
about
know,
it.
the wild mentality blood. It's in there.
Even Larry? Larry has hunted once a year? Here?
No, not here.
Oh,
We
not
don't-
here.
The
Oh, no.
4,000
Oh,
acre land.
okay.
No, Larry would just die if he found someone would even
Yeah.
take a gun out to look at him.
Come on, pause. Go and tie. And
Another
follow.
bite.
Another bite. Come on.
What are you
I'm not
looking
gonna hurt you. Come on. Come on.
at? Oh, he sees that cat.
Come on.
Well, they don't miss a thing.
Yeah.
There was a cat.
Come on.
I just
There's a
there
cat
under
right
that
there.
trailer.
Don't go to Tio.
Yeah.
Come on, Luna. Don't go to
Cat's not
Tio.
going to hurt you.
Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Nó con trên nó rung tới tiêu.
Come on.
Tại trên nó tới tụi mía là sân đấy cả
No,
lò.
no. Yeah. Come on, one more. Come on. Come on, one more. Yeah.
We have
did that?
5 more pens to go to.
Okay, I'll put it right here. This is where you put the food, right? Inside? And they'll come and eat it?
They eat it.
Nice.
There's their water.
Oh, this is the water. This is the water for the deer. Cho nó đây đâu deer, cho mọi lưu hậu nè.
Chickens too, huh?
Okay, cho fence này, yêu dùng gì nó sẽ chỉ nó sẽ là tao nói nữa. Giờ một lửa. Okay, we're heading to the deer pen.
How long have you and Larry been raising
Hi.
deer?
Hello.
Probably about at least
I'll give.
11
Okay,
years or
eat that.
Probably about 11.
Eat that. Hi.
I don't see a deer here.
So, if the tag on the left, that's a female, right?
Right.
And the tag on the right, that's male. Okay.
And the the male has already lost his antlers.
Uh-huh.
So
Wow.
if you see a tag over here,
Uh-huh.
he's in here. Well,
Okay.
the ones in
I
here
saw
are males.
one all the way down there.
Okay, now these are all males. Down
Oh,
here.
these are all
They're
males?
small. They're young.
The young antlers? Oh, young male?
Uh-huh. Well, they're this
Yeah.
probably comes.
Okay, this deer farm has 8 pens.
And
Mua gì lúc vào nè. Ở trên này nóอยู่ต่อเปล่าจุดแต่ตัวมาลื่นนะที่จงชาอีปวดแต่ตัวแต่สิแล้วไม่จะมัวตาหรือเท้โอเคแล้วตัวอยู่จะมาลื่นมาเจ้ามันตัวต่อว่าแต่ตัวเชื่อนี่มันจะเปล่าจิพายก็นะจะแล้วจะหนึ่งมีการมาแล้วอย่างเงี้ยตัวมาลื่นจะแล้วเทนะแล้วเทกี่โมงเก้าจะหมดตัวเนาะ อยากเห็นเนี่ยก่อนเนี่ยจะหญิงเนี่ยตัวมาลื่นเนี่ยเราใช้เมสุตาใช้แคลิฟอร์เนียเด้อ Here's another one. Hi. More bread, huh? Throw a little piece of bread in there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, they're so tame.
there you go.
Is that him? Is that he or she?
She.
It's a she.
The left ear is.
Yeah, left ear is a she. Her number is 1111.
Now see this one.
That's a buck. And he shed his antlers.
Oh,
Yeah.
he just lost his antler.
And
Look at this. Chỉ khai hô, cho bao nhiêu, tụi mà luôn là mình chỉ khai từ, cô khóa mình chơi, này mình chơi lại.
we can go
No.
inside if he wants to. You wanna
Yeah.
go
Wow.
inside?
She's just like,
Yeah.
grab
Let's
it.
let's open it. Can you open it?
Not until you move. Go over here.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Close the door.
Sorry, I'm learning everything here.
Can. But you
I think they're more tame than the other one. This one, she's more friendly.
that 11 is tame and she can be.
Yes.
We'll go in.
So you raise these from babies.
How
They
long
love you.
do you bottle feed on the farm? Before you guys move them to the next.
Đây một hố nữa, bây giờ một hố nữa.
They don't want their bottle. No,
Khí
come on.
kìa lô.
But I had one this year that he could have cared less whether I ever had a bottle or
Mhm.
not.
No.
This is the food for the deer.
She can come in and too.
Pull gonna. That's how you feed it. That's the male right there. Lost the antler. That guy. Tụi nó nè, tụi cú nhỏ con lấy nè. How old is he? About 2 years old.
Maybe around 2.
He's
Hi.
very
Yeah, they got a little bit nervous because we're a stranger. Look at that. That is the baby, right?
She doesn't want to eat anymore. I think she's full.
She's full.
she. Now these have had babies.
Got pen, huh? Pen, huh? Can you pet it?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
Here, you want me to hold the bucket? I think that's what scared her. You go
Oh.
ahead and pet her if you want.
She's scared.
Come on. Lo cho mò lu nhóc tết. Nó lo kia đó cho tí đó.
Hurry, hurry.
Hmm.
Take it now.
Yeah. Wow.
You wanna try it?
Come on. Yes.
She doesn't want me to pet her.
Long lu tà lẽ cho nó lời. These you raise from babies, right? Yeah. Lời you thôi mẹ lo nó mua mì đồ non nó cho nó tới chính trai nè.
We just call them by their numbers.
11. Okay. Wow.
Here.
Tao tiền này là tao bỏ tụi mà lưu xem mà nó nè. Sẽ. Giờ cá tụi tao.
Ngó cửa vậy vậy lúc đi thay đúng mà thay đi.
I get it. Hi. Hi. Lo tiêu nhớ thấy cái nào hi.
Wow, first time ever I get close to a deer like this.
I know. Never seen it before. Something new.
11. Does she know her number?
She probably does. We
She does?
Oh,
wow.
she's 11.
Yeah, she's 11.
Tụi nó là lúc bọn trẻ này đẩy đua tới 11 nè. Họ cho nói là cho hi.
Cô, lựa chọn E.
Hello.
Lựa chọn cú tú à.
Hi. ôi làm chắc của thế tụi nó nhớ làm chắc của thế tụi nó mà chín trái đó tụi nó mà baby thế tiêu
Okay. Wow.
tụi nó mà chín trái này hai ôi giờ đĩa lúc làm nó thế tiêu hi my goodness this is crazy they are so tame sinh cái tiền đó mà lúc chỉ sinh cái kia nó đi đó cho cái tim mông nhân tê rồi đó nên tao bỏ mà lừa cho cú yên tao bỏ xin nó này nhân tê nó thơ rồi thế sao nó lá kia cho phong như
Đây thay của việc sao tao?
cho phong như ông có tao sao này ô câu đi con một lúc chết ta là wow you do that they got scared
Thay nó là tay to
Để,
bên
ôi rồi.
này tao biết
Ôi rồi.
là nó sao nào?
chúa ok lúc mà nó chế thật tươi lớn mua đi chế lớn mua nó to
We're going this way, right?
No, we're going to visit.
Yeah.
You want to visit.
Oh.
ok lớn mua chế lớn muốn ta nó to chế mua lúc chế nhá bộ bể to nó chế lớn uống ít kho tôi lúc chế hồng cô nó chế tụi mà lương gam rồi lúc chế chế lớn mua thâu bài mua chế bỏ chồng bỏ tả rồi nữa cho nó mà lớn uống chiều uống đi lớn uống tiệt thế nữa mà bể to bỏ uống chế khả năng ít kho và có mong lá kỳ thế bỏ nữa nên cho nhá tao bắt tao chế giá này cho xí này nên tao bỏ nó nên tao tuôn à Oklahoma mà cho nên tôi sai nè Guinea they raise guinea too is that good whoa 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 guinea can fly my goodness
Were you expecting that? Did you get it?
no I got video of it but I saw the whole thing I didn't know they could fly that high
Oh, you didn't?
no. Okay we're going to see the chicken right
Yeah, I was going to show you the chickens, and if there's any eggs, let you get the eggs. So.
okay
How do you cook your guineas?
How do we cook?
How do you guys cook them?
Oh,
this is your chicken coop right here
These are laying eggs then.
ô tôi chỉ này nhiều khay nhiều lọc khay ngon đầu chưa
you want to get an egg?
yeah
Okay, get over here.
do you eat eggs you do yeah.
I don't.
Nếu có tôi ngay cho cây một nó thế này nó đỡ thôi cho nó lùi cái đấy
Where is it?
so do you have a black snake come in and swallow these eggs
We have had, not for a while, it's probably been over a year, but we were something was getting the eggs, and it turned out to be a black snake.
yeah
So I put these golf balls out.
I see
I had 4 of them in here, and I think I only have 3 now. So some snake got one of them.
let me explain that
That's
nửa tiền nếu muốn cho nó đủ là nó cái nó cho vô cái nè chỉ nếu muốn luôn golf ball nó cho đồ luôn dễ nó chỉ cho nó tuổi chỉ cho nó cho là muốn luôn golf ball nó nè lúc nó ngò nè chỉ nó cái tuổi đó nó có thể cho nó là phê nhớ tới cho nó mà mua nang nữa chỉ nên cho vô cái mua tới mình nó nè chỉ cú thích tao bao đi hả cũng mà sống chưa mua nè I'm learning something too today it's a new education
See, here's another golf ball. And
Okay.
See, I had 4. There's only
yeah 4
three.
okay
There's only 3.
so they must
now.
swallow one
We
already
got one.
they must feel good walking away from here
I imagine that what he did was trying to crush that egg,
huh
and it killed him because it was a golf ball.
have you
instead.
seen one die inside here
Uh-uh.
not yet okay
No, never have.
okay thank you for the knowledge nên giờ cái ổ lửa nên giờ bay pro chỉ tuần rồi bỏ ít bỏ ra nên giờ look at that those guys gang up on her my goodness it's crazy human don't do that
Okay, we stay here.
That one's kind of special. You have to.
oh is he too
Oh,
special
You can take 'em. You can take 'em. But I want to see if there's a.
ให้เราสอกไก่เนาะ
ไปเว้ย
ได้ดูโอเค
ว้าว
See how pretty he is? He's
Yeah.
the
กู
only
นอนนะหนูมาพูดกูนะ
He's the
Look
only one
here.
that has the breasts like
กูตัว
that.
ใช้หนีโดนหนูมาพูดกูจะหนูกูนอน
What is that? Let me see what is that. There was a,
นั่นจ๊อกไงน่ะไก่มาตัวตอนเดี๋ยวนี่เนาะซึ่งตัวตั้งต่อก้าๆตัวนั้นน่ะ
มันน้อยใจก็
มันน้อยใจ
เนาะโอเค
ตัวหมามันจะตัวนี่นอนตัวนอนนี่ใช่น่ะถ้าตัวจะนอนหนูจะมาพูดกูซะชิวเนี่ยนะ This lady, our friend is too nice. Since I come here to see her, she's gonna give me this free chicken.
รูสเตอร์
Rooster.
through all the socks. I thought I had it.
It's a
We can
beautiful
just tie the
rooster.
feet. You have a rope. We can tie the feet.
Don't go to Joe. I know how to do it.
That's okay. I'll let Adam carry that for a little bit.
Yeah, I know how to do it when you get to the home.
Yeah, don't worry, Margaret.
But you gotta get in home.
Yeah, I know how to do it. Do you have a paper bag or a plastic bag? I can
Well,
put it.
see, I thought I had a paper bag. But evidently we threw those away. I had one, but it was on the corner.
Don't go to Joe. Tôi nói cho một tôi nói đấy.
It doesn't have a lot. Let me pour this out.
Bây giờ lúc đây hoa Rhode Island nữa này.
Yeah, this will go.
Okay, there you go.
This will work.
Yeah. Để cho một lúc nào thì xịt kia. Cho tụi cái đó hồi trong một tuần nọ.
มันน้อยใจตัวไก่ก็จะมันจะต้องโต อะไรไอ้
Tụi
สิ
cái
ให้
nó cừ đó, nó cừ đâu đấy.
This one is really special. I want you to look at this. Look at the front right there.
Wow.
The others are not that way.
ว้าว
This is pretty beautiful.
So you got my prettiest one.
Okay.
You're gonna put
I'll
it
make
in
it right.
here?
No, when we get to the house,
Oh,
I'm gonna
okay.
tie the feet first.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
โอเค
I think he's messed with you. We haven't gone over there, have we? We got some other things.
This is so special.
ตัวไก่ลูก
I
Cho
feel
cái
so
thế
blessed
cây một
to
chế
know
cho nó.
you.
หมามูใช้và làจะว่ามาลือดู
Tôi rồi sayอยู่ตัวพ่ออยู่เจนหนึ่งลูกเจนหนึ่งไม่ตัวลกไก่ปุ้ยtrong ตัวนอ
ตัว
นะ
ก็ตัวไก่ที่อีเนาะ
ตัว
ให้
ลง
เนา
ก็ที่เหรอะ
ะ
เฮ็ดตัวนอตัวลงก็ชับเปิดนะหนึ่งลูกอ่อนร้อนนะนะจับต้นลงก็หมดนะโอ้ย
เออเป็ดดีนะ
ชอบพูดดีเยอะ
ไปเลยโห
ใช่ใครมีเส้นมาหน่อย
How many dogs do you guys have? 9?
You know what? We sell them. This year, I don't know if it was because of the economy or what, but we didn't even get
Hello.
Mua chua tụ ổ điện này rồi.
dogs. Just a minute. Let me get this.
And where are the origin?
These two are old ones. Tucker and Bella over here.
Hi, Tucker, Bella.
This is Connor.
Connor.
That's our baby.
Okay.
And these are other two babies.
And
Leah and Emma.
who's the mother and father? Wow.
They are so hyper.
Look at how hyper they are. Hello. Hello. Hi, little guy. Say nice things to you.
Oh, okay.
Margaret, thank you so much for hosting us.
You're welcome. I've enjoyed it.
You know, you're such a kind. You and your husband are pretty kind. We look forward to being friends for many, many years to come.
Good.
Thanks for the rooster,
And the eggs.
eggs, 4 eggs,
Yeah.
4 eggs.
4 eggs.
and you know, showing us the deer, the farm, and all the knowledge and the education.
Well, thank you.
I learned so much.
Thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, so
It's good. We like showing them.
we'll be back one day.
Okay, we're going to expect you to be.
Thank you.
I think I'm going to take these eggs
Mhm.
and turn them into a dozen. How does that sound?
Sounds good. Yeah.
Better than.
ต่อ
So thank you
You're
for
welcome.
such a great host.
Well, thank you for just being a perfect person to show it to and be interested in it.
Oh my God, such a
It's fun for us.
thrilling. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay,
Y'all are so
sai nó nói chị, cho tụi cái một tuần nọ này, vậy mà một tuần nọ nào cũng xuyên nó mà thay nó nên sai chứ.
I don't think I understood that.
That's a Hmong language. Okay, một trái nữa. Giờ cái tụi cái một tua bên nào này, tụi cái như nó này. Chị cái tao hả?
Ủa chị.
Tụi nó cái rồi. Thế chị, cho một giây mà cho một số nó, cái xử lý tôi này cho ta là. Ok. Bà xin gì nè. Đây một cái chơi mà chỉ mà tôi cái nó mà thay nó chị mua chị qua đó xin này. Thank you. Này cháu vào chữ nè. Giờ này sắp bọn gì này, giờ biết chúng con gì á, em muốn subscribe trong YouTube nữa này. And for those of you who speak English around the world, I know there's 2 billion of you. You want to follow me? I'll try to speak English as much as you can. Nữa, chắc ăn một chơi nữa, để luôn ra nữa. Thế rồi nó một tiền đi nữa. Tao bé tôi nó còn nói bé cho nên thì là ít món này. Bé cho nên thì. Ok. Tôi nên chỉ lần lâu nó nhắc nó nữa. Mình cả đời mà sử dụng tiền đó, tôi sử dụng à. Thì chỉ này nè, mà chỉ được liền rồi. Bye bye nữa.